There's the rain in the desert on the mountains. That's the Franklin Mountains getting dumped on. The rain is just drenching those mountains. You can see where the line is, where it's dry and where it's wet. You can almost see the water coming down the mountainside. It's just pouring over those mountains, and then it's pouring on the other side too. But you can see the water coming down the mountain. In the gullies from the top. It's just pouring. This is El Paso, Texas. And over there, those mountains, that's Mexico. It's Juarez. Over where those mountains are getting rained on there. This is I-10, where it meets up with the Patriot Highway. Goes to Fort Bliss over in that direction. And because of construction, I've got to go that direction now. I've got to go back to Geronimo Drive. Or no, Tow Bridge Drive. This is Reynold Drive. And it's getting ready to rain. As you can see there. Rain coming down. It has been raining so much in this desert, it's just unreal. It's hard to believe it's a desert. It's been raining so much. I guess it's been a while since they've had this much rain. But as you can see, the cars are coming up I-10 with their headlights on. So that means it's raining down there. I need to go find me a place to shelter from the storm. Probably I'm going to go over there to that motel and just pull up under their overhang for a few minutes while the rain passes. This is Tommy on the Pan America Blog Ride.